Hey, what is up guys? This is Atone here again. So, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'll currently be in training during the summer right now, so these videos you're seeing are all pre-scheduled. So, yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying them. And yeah, so today's design is a Sour Patch Kids ad. So, I really like doing these ads. I'm getting better and better, and I'm getting faster as well. The time taken for this one was 30 minutes, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you guys soon.
And my heart couldn't even take enough. Y'all don't seem to get around to the shit. I'm just gonna get around. Tell your haters, understand it.
Hey, come on now, man. I see you getting bored. You got this, bro. Just keep watching.
Fucking stand there. Yo, do you need some more? Oh, nah. Do you want that love or die? You need to fucking fly. Oh my God, we born in the sky. Just like me, supposed to fly. All the haters on the ground, look up at the sky like do you wanna die? Or you wanna fly? You can go high, you don't even try. I'll be here for you, so baby, can you just try? Yeah, shoulder rubs turn to shoulder shrugs. Cuddle time now, know those colder times. Love without trust is a waste of time, yeah. What waste of time, yeah. No, not of mine. You won't ever change, whatever I swear. I know what you need, know what you deserve, but not me, but not me, but not me, but not me. Don't know if I'll ever find that special one. All my ones, I don't want. I can never get far enough if I run. Please just let me hear you shine. Dun, 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 dun. But not me, but not me, but not me. Tell your haters, understand it. Tell your BF, understand it. Tell your actor, understand it. You know you can fucking stand it. Yo, do you need some more? Oh, nah, do you want that love or die? Fly, oh my God, we born in the sky. Just like me, supposed to fly. All the haters on the ground, look up at the sky.